all of my YouTubers, my YouTube friends, a really very happy and prosperous new year. Whatever you do, I wish you well in all of your endeavors. Happy New Year as well. I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, contentment, oneness, and unity in Christ for the season. Do enjoy yourself and enjoy the rest of the season. Whatever you do, be good to yourself, be kind to yourself, be kind to one another. Love one another as you want to be loved. Today I know it's a very special day for most of you, and I'm a little bit late on my Christmas message or my Christmas greetings to all of my YouTube friends. Whatever you do, enjoy. Yeah, some of us are alone on Christmas Day, but don't make that stop you from enjoying your Christmas. There are a lot of things that you can do to fall in love with yourself and fall in love with what you are, where you are, who you are, what you have. Like for me, I had friends over, my daughter and niece and nephew. I had them for the Christmas. I did enjoy them. When they left, I did miss them. I shed tears because I miss them dearly. But I make sure that I prepare my home in a way that I would be able to sit and enjoy every moment of my home. So, and I'm big on home decor, like DIY. Myself, I do love beautiful, beautiful things. So for Christmas, I got myself a Christmas tree, which is what I do every year. I get a Christmas tree and I just decorate it. And what I'm saying, there's simple things that you can enjoy, as I enjoy lighting up my Christmas tree in the night. And I love candles, and I have some candles. I light my candles, turn all my lights off, and I enjoy the atmosphere of my home. So you can make your home as comfortable as you want for the season, so that you can enjoy your season. For those of you who are by yourself, like myself, right? But enjoy it. Do something that will make you have a little more fun and peace with yourself. My Christmas tree bring me peace because I'm able to decorate it in the colors that I choose to, and I'm able to put my living room the way I want it, and also my room, my space. So as you can see, I'm just gonna give you a little show of my space, right? So I'm living in an older unit, but it's well maintained. It's so good. I have this fireplace, but I still have to find something to put in my fireplace here that will really complement my space. My living room is really huge, right? I love flowers as well. Orchid is my favorite flowers. I do love orchid. This one, my orchid is already bloomed, and it's now I give it some orchid food, so it's now sending out some new, look like it's gonna give me another set of flower, another set of orchid, right? So I love that. And I got this table from Wayfair. I do love their stuff, but I shop around, and the prices are expensive, but I shop around and get this little table here that I can decorate as I wish, put my flowers and stuff. This was sent to me for my Christmas. I do love, and you don't have to wait on anyone to send you a flower. You can get yourself a flower and feel happy in your own space as well. Candles is another thing that I'm in love with. As you can see, I have many candles. I love to have them big. I don't like little pieces of things. But I got this one that my niece just gave to me for my Christmas gift. Beautiful. It's peach and vanilla as well. As you can hear, and you can put some music on, that will make you feel a little much more alive in your own space and don't worry about who is missing. I did got myself a new carpet. As you can see, it's so beautiful. It's really beautiful. I love it. The light is not giving the full justice, but it just have a really nice feel and a nice tone to it, because my couch, they are more of a leather cream. They're leather as well. I do love white. That's my favorite thing. Right? My space is kind of small. That's the living room. That's the dining room. You can see on the other side there. As I said, this is an older building, and the living room is very beautiful, very spacious. Look at this. I got this thing, and it was handmade. I got it at HomeSense. Winners are my winners. It was as winners I got this one, and this one is so beautiful. And this one is like 4 years old, but I only use it for decoration. And if I'm relaxing on my couch, I may just throw it over my legs and feel good, right? As you can see, yeah. So that's my daughter calling me. I'm actually gonna go out with her. We're gonna go out together, just to another friend's house. So hey, whatever you do, enjoy Christmas. Please do enjoy your Christmas and enjoy the holiday. it doesn't take a million things to make you happy or to make anyone happy, but just if it takes for you to decorate your home the way you choose to and just relax, maybe have a nice glass of wine or something that will make you happy. All right, my daughter is calling me, so hey guys, enjoy, enjoy, enjoy. This is my space. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to all my YouTube friends and all my followers. Enjoy the best of it. Stay peaceful, stay humble, stay calm, and stay love. Give love and you will receive love. Mwah. Happy New Year.